Hello there. You know my nails are always on camera in my videos. I guess you could say regular viewers know my hands like the back of their hand, so I thought I'd go back to basics and take you through my manicure routine this week. I've already trimmed and shaped my nails off camera, so it's time to prep and paint. I shared some relaxed painting sessions like this in the past that you seemed to enjoy, so welcome to another nail ASMR episode that will hopefully bring you a few minutes of calm, or you might pop this on and paint along with me at home. I will be updating my very old complete talk through nail tutorial later this year, I promise, and I'll leave a link below to my nail playlist and most recent nail tutorial with lots of tips and tricks to make your polish last longer, but we're slowing things right down this week. All product details will be listed below. I'd love to hear what sort of nail content you'd like to see from me in future. What would be most helpful? I'm going to be shooting some content for Olive and June's YouTube channel soon, an LA nail brand I use all the time. So if there are particular steps or tips or topics or pesky mani problems you're facing, please let me know in the comments so I can incorporate it into my future nail content or theirs. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy these peaceful manicure minutes. All done. I hope you enjoyed seeing me go through the mani motions here. That's the before and after. A big improvement, now looking neat and crisp for winter in Australia, but a dark chocolate brown like this is a favourite year-round for me. As I mentioned at the start, if you have any polish or process questions, please pop them in the comments. I'd love to help, and I'd love to hear from you. If you're a fellow at-home mani fan, please share what you have on your nails right now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.